Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file confirmation statement at Companies House. So first, in your search bar, start typing or searching for file confirmation statement. And from here, you should be able to see a link like this from the search results. So click on this link. So from this page, you can read more information and just scroll down, then click on the Start Now button. Now from here, you will be asked to of course sign in to Companies House. Or you can also sign in using your Gov UK1 account. So just make sure that you logged in through any of this. So once logged in, you may want to proceed by clicking on Continue. Next, you will be asked about your company number. So just enter in the 8-character company number, then proceed by clicking on Continue. Now you will be asked to confirm if you entered the correct company number. And of course, you must review the company details. So if all of the details are correct, head over and proceed by clicking on Confirm and Continue. Next, you will be asked to enter the company authentication code sent by gov.uk. Now, once you're logged into your account in your dashboard, scroll down and from there, you should be able to see a file confirmation statement button. All you have to do is click on that button. Now from here, all you have to do is check if all the details are correct, make changes if needed, and of course, you may want to tick both the boxes that you confirm that all the information required to be delivered by the company is being delivered with this statement and confirm that the intended future activities of the company are lawful. And once everything is done, head over and click on the submit button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!